Hey everyone, today we've got something really interesting to look at. I recently came across a tool that people in the crypto community have been talking about quite a lot. After testing it myself, I can definitely understand why it's getting so much attention. The tool is called Pump.fun Sniper, a sniper trading bot built for the Solana network and the Pump.fun platform. And today, this won't just be a simple overview. We're going to launch the bot and watch it trade live to see how fast it reacts, how it makes decisions, and what kind of results it can produce after several trades. Let's get started. We open the website, and right away, you can see that the project is well built. The interface looks clean, everything loads quickly, and the navigation is very straightforward. Right on the home page, you can see key metrics. There's a large number of successful trades. In practice, the bot reacts faster than a human trader could respond to market movements. The project rating is also strong, with users leaving positive feedback. That's always a good sign when real traders are actively sharing good experiences with the platform. But let's move from numbers to actual trading. Before starting the bot, we need to configure the strategy. And this is one of the most convenient parts of the system. Everything is designed to be simple, even if you're just getting started with crypto trading. First, we set the minimum and maximum investment per trade. This is the core of risk management. You decide how much capital the bot is allowed to use. Next, we configure slippage tolerance, which controls how much price movement is acceptable when the bot executes a trade. Then we set take profit. This defines the profit level where the bot will automatically close a position. You can also configure stop loss, which helps limit potential losses if the market moves in the wrong direction. Another interesting parameter is max dev hold. This protects you from tokens where developers hold too large a percentage of the supply. Projects like that can carry higher risk, so the bot takes that into account. We enable auto sell, save the configuration, and the strategy is ready. On the right side, you can immediately see a quick overview of the strategy, including the risk level and target profit. Now let's start trading. We go to the trading section, connect the wallet, and the live dashboard opens. The bot begins scanning the market almost instantly. And here comes the first trade. The bot enters a position within seconds. That's how high-speed algorithms work in the crypto market. Sometimes fractions of a second determine who gets into a token first. Trades keep opening one after another, fully automated. It's important to understand that this isn't random. The algorithm scans newly launched tokens and selects only the ones that meet specific criteria. Here's something interesting. Sometimes the bot detects a token, but decides not to enter. That's not a bug. That's the built-in security filtering system at work. Pump.fun Sniper automatically checks tokens for potential scams, rug pulls, and honeypot contracts, where traders can buy but cannot sell. Before opening a position, the bot analyzes the contract and liquidity. If something looks risky, the trade simply won't happen. Because of that, the system aims to avoid dangerous tokens and focus only on safer opportunities. Now let's look at the results. During the time this video was recorded, the bot executed several dozen trades, and most of them ended up profitable. One thing that stands out immediately is the speed of execution. Trades are processed without delays, the interface runs smoothly, and the algorithm continues analyzing the market in real time. This is what automated trading looks like when algorithms, speed, and risk filtering work together. Instead of trying to guess the market manually, you let the system do most work. And the coolest part is that while I was explaining everything in this video, the bot kept trading on its own. So let's summarize. Pump.fun Sniper is an automated trading tool for Solana ecosystem that helps traders react quickly to new tokens and interact with the market in a fully automated way. If you're curious to try it yourself, the link will be in the description. Visit the website, explore the interface, and check the settings. The best way to understand a tool is to test it yourself. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm show the video to more people who might find it useful. Subscribe to the channel as well. There's a lot more interesting content coming. And write in the comments, have you ever used sniper bots for trading before? It would be interesting to hear about your experience.